We have finished all of our calculations, and now it's time to set up a drawing, both for plan drawing and longitudinal profile, cross section and mass hole calculation, and whichever drawings we need. This example will tell you how to set up the plan drawing in the scale 1 to 5000. First of all, we need a new drawing. And this is going to be one of our drawings, so we will save it as our overview plan. I'll give it the drawing number P100. So, and as you can see now, it's empty, so we need to include the informations from our maps and design using XREF. We need to have our maps, contour lines, land register and technical map, like this. I'll change the colors. To something background like 252. Then I need to have my road design. I'll make an XREF to my M-road drawing. Like this, and then nothing appears, and this is because I haven't saved the changes that I made to this one. So I'll just go to my M-road drawing, save the changes, and then go back to my P100, reload my M-road, and now I can see I have my data. Now the first drawing I'm to set up is a 1 to 5000 of the road. First of all, I need to know how long is it. It's approximately going to be it's 3 kilometers. 3 kilometers in the scale 1 to 1000 will require a paper more than 3 meters in length. In 1 to 5000 the paper will be 5 times as small, so I need a drawing area with at least half a meter. And to this I need to add one complete sheet, A4 sheet, for drawing information, legend and stuff like this. So in this case my paper will need to be 840 millimeters in length, and probably I can do with just one A4 in the height. So this is what I'm aiming for. I switch to layout, right click and enter page setup manager, modify, and I choose DVG to PDF. And then I'm going to create a new piece of paper and properties, custom paper sizes, and add, start from scratch, width 840 millimeters, height 297, next, no margins needed, next, and I'll save it as road plan 1 to 5000. and finish. Then I can see it here in the list, and I should now be able to find it in this list here on top. Road plan 125,000, 840 millimeters and 297 millimeters in height. Okay. And just to make sure my paper size is the right one, I will make the dist, and I can measure this to be 840 inch or units long, and when we are in layout we are drawing in millimeters. So this is fine. I'll just erase this clip. Then the first thing I need to do now are frames, drawing frames. I'll make a new layer. Called frame. I'll set a color to it and make it the current layer. So then I'll draw my outer frame by using the functionality rectangle, REC. Cannot snap to the corner of this, so I'll just have to point it out. So I'll make my inner drawing frame 10 millimeters from the edge, and then I'll start making my marks to be able to fold my drawing. I'll make a line from this end and up, and I'll offset it in 1A4 in width, 210 millimeters. And then I will trim. So I have now my marks so that I can fold my drawing. Then I need to get access to the model world. We are in the layout world, and it's in here, my model world, where I have my drawing. So from layout I need to make what we call an M view. That's an opening in this drawing, kind of a window into model world. And I will create a window ranging these 3 A4s in width, leaving one page for drawing information. I have now a window to my model world. If I double click, you will see that the coordinate system changes into the model world, and this is then where I'm working. If I double click outside, the coordinate system changes into a triangle, showing me that I am in paper space or layout space. But I need to go in here and make my road fit this window. First of all, I need to make the road go not like this, but like this. So I will rotate my paper, and to rotate my paper I will change the rotation of the coordinate system so that X is in this direction and Y is in this direction. This is done using UCS, making a new coordinate system rotated about the Z axis, and then I'm supposed to point out the new axis. This was then the new Y axis, and the Y axis are supposed to go like this. So I'll try again. And that's the opposite way around. So now my coordinate system is turned the right way. Then I need to turn my view, and I will do that by using the plan commando, plan to current UCS, and it now seems as if I have rotated my entire world, but I haven't. I have only rotated the paper, so the coordinates will still be correct. I will zoom to the center of my road, and then it's about fitting the scale. Had it been 1 to 1000, I would zoom 1 times p, zoom 1 times p. This will be the scale 1 to 1000. It needs to be 5 times as small, so I will zoom 0.2 times p. And I now have my drawing inside this window in the scale 1 to 5000. And I'm done. Of course I need to add drawing information and stuff like this, but that shouldn't be the problem. I'm ready to plot. And the next thing then before you plot is to find the right STB file or create a new one, and that's another story.